Hi, Profit Boost Software here, Scott Johnson. Today we're going to learn how to build a digital vehicle check-in. First, you log into your system. You go to your name in the top right-hand corner and click on Admin. Come over here to the lower left and click on Vehicle Check-in. Your system will have a demo in the system. You'll want to go to it, click on Edit, and now we can add categories, questions, and answers. So the first category that most people would want to have whenever the vehicle comes into your shop is you want to do an exterior walk around. So that would be a category, and then we have a question under the category. The question would be body and paint. It's a common one. We save that. A new question would be interior. So we have two categories. The exterior, we can underneath that add a question. The question would be body and paint. A new question would be wheels and tires. A third question would be windshield and glass. So we have questions. Underneath questions, we can have quick answers. The reason to put a quick answer in is when the technician or the service advisor is doing the walk around, the answer's already in the system. You can have more than one quick answer. That way all you have to do is choose the correct one and it'll update the vehicle check-in. So a quick answer on windshield and glass would be all is okay. You can see we're working down a tree here. A category, a question, a quick answer. Another quick answer would be cracked windshield. Now, wheels and tires. Again, all okay. Another one may be the rims have been curbed. Now at each one of these answers you can also take a picture as you're doing the walk around. The interior, the body, and you can just keep going on and on and on and make this as abbreviated as you want or as detailed as you want. That's the beauty of it. Now the other thing that you can do is you can have more than one vehicle check-in. Depending on the type of work that you do, you may want to have one for a two-wheel drive car, passenger car. You may want to have one for a four-wheel drive vehicle. You may want to have one for a motorcycle or a boat if you're doing that type of work with our software system. Now, whenever you've built this, now you go to the repair order, you go to the vehicle that's written up, and you go to vehicle check-in. I want to use the one that's on arrival. I click on it, and here is the interface that you see when you're walking around the vehicle. So the windshield and glass, it's either good, not so good, or bad. If it's bad, now have a quick answer. A cracked windshield, and you can take a picture of the cracked windshield if you're on a device that has a camera, such as an iPad or a tablet. Wheels and tires, they're all good. Body and paint, again, quick answer. I don't have any quick answers there, so now I can make a handwritten note, left front fender, right front fender, whatever you see, and take a picture of it. The interior is all good, the body and paint. Actually, I got that in there twice. And at the end of this, you can now send this report to your customer by typing in your name. You're the logged in user. You have to put your name on this, and you either have the option to send it to the customer or just store it inside the repair order. Everybody has a different idea what to do there. So it's just that easy. Takes you a few minutes to build these. You can always go back if you want. You can go back to admin, check in, and you can edit these. So these are kind of a work in motion. If you don't get it right the first time, you can always go back and correct it and add more answers, add more categories. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching.